This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites, framework, drivers, and a small dataset so you can iterate fast. Once done, create an isolated environment and install the exact package versions. This avoids dependency drift. Next, download the pre-trained weights and place them in a predictable folder. This lets scripts load models reproducibly. Make sure to prepare a 10-100 example validation set so you can quickly confirm the model is functional before proceeding to larger experiments. You now load the pre-trained model using the framework API and move it to CPU or GPU depending on availability. Once loaded, set batch size and random seeds to ensure repeatable behavior. This matters when comparing changes. If your task labels differ, modify the classifier head or tokenizer mappings and reinitialize only those weights. Then run a single forward pass on your sample data to confirm input shapes and outputs. This quick check prevents wasted training time later. You fine-tune with a conservative learning rate, typically 1E5 to 5E5, and short runs to validate progress. Once training starts, evaluate metrics on your held-out validation set and save checkpoints so you can roll back if a run diverges. If results are poor, inspect data preprocessing and tokenization mismatches. These are common culprits. Also, try lowering the learning rate, increasing regularization, or using gradient clipping. Keep one troubleshooting tip handy. If loss explodes, immediately reduce LR and verify batch normalization behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.